Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering what you need and acting fast. Verify the locked iPhone model and whether Find My iPhone was enabled. That determines recovery options. Once done, open a second Apple device or a computer and sign into iCloud. Calm if possible. Make sure you know the phone's serial or IMEI. This speeds up support if needed. Now try the first actionable step. Use iCloud's Find My All devices to locate the device and trigger lost mode or view the Apple ID hint. You continue by checking every available entry point for the Apple ID. Try signing into iCloud. Calm or the Find My app with any email addresses you might have used. This can reveal the correct Apple ID. If that fails, use the account recovery flow at iForget. Apple. Calm to retrieve the Apple ID using phone numbers or recovery email. Follow prompts and provide requested info. Make sure to inspect any other Apple devices you own. Open settings on those devices to see the full Apple ID. You finish by escalating when the automated routes fail. If recovery stalls, contact Apple support and provide the phone's serial or IMEI and proof of purchase so they can verify ownership and remove activation lock if eligible. Make sure to attempt trusted device prompts, recovery email, and trusted phone number verification first, because those are fastest. If you hit a roadblock, the key troubleshooting tip is to gather documentation now, purchase receipt, serial, and photos to speed support verification and avoid repeated delays.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.